Hi, my name is Katie Cavasin. We're here today in the Rawhide Braiding Workshop at the Elko Convention Center. This year's project, it's taught by Doug Groves. He's the main instructor. We have multiple other instructors that are also helping. The project that we're doing this year is quirts. So what we do with rawhide braiding is we take a non-marketable cow that cannot be eaten, cannot be used in any other way, and we recycle her, and we use her hide to create an everyday useful item for a working cowboy or buckaroo. So we take, there's pictures over here of us like harvesting a hide from a cow, stretching it, you scrape the hair off of it, cut it down into these really tiny intricate strings, and then you braid them all together and create ropes, bozels, reins, hackamores, hobbles. All this gear you see is something that we would be using on the ranch every single day to get our job done. So it's a functional art. Okay, so this year we had 15 students all together in our workshop, and it is a 4-day workshop, and it is 4 full big days. But by the time we're done on day 4, everybody walks out of here with a finished quirt, a finished product. And every year we do a different project. In the previous years we've done reins, we've done hobbles before, but yeah, by the time the workshop is over, people leave with a finished project and then a good basic knowledge of how to prepare a hide, how to cut string, and then they know the basics of how to get started on a rawhide project. So it's really fun.